Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the EGR tape on vent visors on our 2019 new body style Chevy Silverado 1500. Now this is a similar installation to other applications, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are on the passenger side of the truck. First thing I'm going to do is grab my front passenger side visor. Now this is marked with an R for right. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and dry fit it first. What you're going to want to do is bring this edge just to where your B-pillar is and make sure this contour is right above this line. That's going to put your tape on top of your paint. And then the front edge is also going to make sure that goes on top of paint as well. You're going to have an even space all the way along this top edge from the edge of the vent visor to the edge of the door sill. So what we're going to do once we've dry fit it, make sure all of this is very thoroughly wiped down with rubbing alcohol. I've already done that, so I'm going to go ahead and start peeling away the tape. This piece, I'm going to pull the entire piece off. And then the leading edge of the long piece of tape, I'm only going to pull back about a couple of inches on each side and make sure that hangs off the top edge when you peel it back. That way when you put it in place, you can peel the tape back. Okay, now because it's easier to line up the back side first, I'm going to go ahead and set that in place. Now this tape is very sticky, so once it hits, it's going to attach. Once I've got that lined up, I'm going to go ahead and get over to the front side and make sure that's also attached to paint, and make sure I keep the consistent width there. That is going to be 3 centimeters. Once we've got that in place, kind of bear down on both sides, and you can go ahead and peel up the tape. And then make sure you have good pressure from the tape to the painted surface. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and dry fit the rear as well. So go ahead and line that up, see where it's going to line up on the B-pillar. Make sure that this is going to go up to the top. And once that's dry fit, go ahead and wipe the whole surface where the adhesive is going to stick with some isopropyl alcohol. I've already done that. Next, again, what we're going to go ahead and do is peel back adhesive. And again, just like on the front, we're going to allow a little bit to hang off the top edge on the front and on the back. And just like with the front, the B-pillar is where it's the easiest to line up. So we're going to line that up first. We want the tape edge right over top of our B-pillar. And make sure that this edge right here is right over top of our trim here. Let me back it up just a little bit. All right, and once that is temporarily in place over here, go ahead and line it up. Make sure that this is going to line up to paint, and make sure you maintain a 3 centimeter gap all the way across the top. And then just like the front, we're going to go ahead and peel away and apply pressure to set the visor. Okay, next what you want to do is take a clean cloth, just make sure it's clear of any kind of debris. You want to use a cloth because it's going to glide smoothly over top. It's going to allow you to put pressure and slide right across the visor. What that does is it helps to seat the adhesive against the vehicle. So you're going up against the paint and against that trim at the front. Do that about 3 or 4 times, and we can move on to the next visor. And this whole process we're going to repeat on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.